Hello, my name is Yosebus Ardian Kurnianto Prayitno. You can call me Ade. I'm from Yogyakarta, Indonesia, and I'm one of the makers in Fablab Jogja, Indonesia. Fablab Jogja is one of the fabrication lab in Universitas Gadjah Mada, or we call it UGM. As one of the best university in Indonesia, Fablab Jogja helps the community to grow by solving their problems using the technology. In here, we use the digital fabrication such as 3D scanners, 3D printers, and also laser cutting to make some prototypes, let's say the smart trash bin or a dosing machine for the agriculture, so the community can use the technology for their lives. In here, the community also learns how to use the technology in Fablab Jogja, and then they can be more efficient to do their works. So this is why Fablab Jogja is important, and this is how UGM, as one of the best university, comes to the people, so we can elaborate and we can transfer the knowledge to the community. And that is how Fablab Jogja works. Since Kulon Progo is a rural area in Yogyakarta, the community still holds their traditional value very much. So all of the problems sometimes still solved by the cultures. They use the conventional way, even though nowadays we have the technology. So that's why Fablab Jogja comes with several programs. One of them is Fab Camp Challenge. It's like a program that bring up the problems and solve it by the technology. So we use the hackathon, we use the prototyping, and we focus on digital fabrication. So we can make a prototype that can be used for community. One of the prototype that now is developed and used by the agriculture sector or by the farmers in Kulon Progo is called Fastan. Fastan means fabrikasi smart agri tepat guna. It means that the smart agriculture is developed based on the prototype that refers to the problems in Fab Camp Challenge, but then now is scaling up and then put it in the community. So we have now like a living lab with the community to grow together. So the farmers build their melon premium inside the greenhouse with the prototype from Fablab, and then the Fablab also have the living lab that improve the technology in daily basis. So we have this kind of collaboration. Fablab Jogja has this kind of value, and our makers build up the value for the community empowerment. Last year, Fablab Jogja had the opportunity to go to China, especially to Maker Fair Shenzhen. In that time, we met Litchee Lab, who is now running the APEC camp with Shenzhen Library about the community. I think Fablab Jogja also has the same value, how we work with the community, especially in digital fabrication. We came to the community to solve their problems based on the technology, based on the innovation, based on the rapid prototyping, and especially how we can do the reverse engineering with them, and how we can educate the people, how we can educate the youth, especially from the junior or high school, also for the students from university. Not only that, Fablab Jogja has the good collaboration with the government, since we also have the facility in Kulon Progo where the government facilitate the area, and then we build the facility based on our collaboration. So based on that, I think it's very good combination, and we can hold them as the one of the good value that can be proposed based on the Fab Camp Challenge, or like the same in the Fab City Foundation. Hello everyone from Shenzhen, China. If you want to experience a tourism combined with the technology, you need to come to Indonesia, especially to Yogyakarta, because we are here, Fablab Jogja. We can bring up how the education and the tourism can be solved together, and you can experience very good things by coming here. I'll see you in Indonesia, and bye-bye.